Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to lay out my daily and weekly routines that allowed me to earn an entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. The reason I'm doing this is so that you can gauge whether or not this is going to be possible for you. Okay, so if you want to earn a college degree in less than a year, as little as 6 months, that's what I'm going to lay out today, and you can kind of compare this to your schedule and see if your schedule is going to allow you to accelerate a college degree, possibly even faster than me. So if that sounds good, let's dive in.
Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how.
All right, so let's dive into what my daily and weekly routines would look like. The first thing I'm going to say is that hacking college, accelerating a college degree, earning a college degree in as little as 6 months, it's not cheating, okay? There's no way to eliminate the work, okay? You still have to do work, but degree hacking, the process that I used to earn my bachelor's degree in 9 months, is far, far easier. It's much more simple than, I guess, sitting in a classroom for 4 years, okay? So the first thing I'll say is that I normally would set aside about 20 hours a week for school, okay? I was working full time. I had a wife and kids to take care of. So I wasn't able to be a full-time student. So that's number one, is I was a part-time student, okay? And was still able to do this in 9 months. Now, I would normally dedicate about 20 hours a week per school, but I will say some classes are harder than others. Some classes are easier. Some classes are really, really fast. My goal was to always complete at least one class per week, okay? If I was tired and burnt out, what I would do is tell myself, as soon as I finish one college class and test out of a college class, I get to be done with school the rest of the week, okay? So if I finished a college class, I think the fastest I ever finished a college class was about 4 hours. I did a handful of classes in less than a day or two each, but I always would try to finish one class per week, okay? My rule for myself was I'm going to dedicate at least 20 hours. If I finish a class in 5 hours or 10 hours, I get the rest of the week off, even though I had that time set aside for school. So that's kind of a gauge of what it took me. Now, some people are smarter than me. Some people are slower learners than me. I consider myself a fairly average learner, okay? So if you're a really fast learner, you might be able to do it in less time per week or graduate faster than I did, okay? If you're a slower learner, maybe you gauge, consider that. Maybe you need 25 hours a week. Maybe you graduate instead of 9 months, you do it in 12 months or 18 months, okay? Just something to consider there. Now, that's kind of a broad idea of my week and how much time I would put. But the daily routine was fairly simple, okay? Monday, I would start compiling a list of everything that I needed to study. I would use a whole bunch of hacks to try to figure out, what am I going to be tested on? What knowledge do I need to have to pass an exam so that I can get done with this class? And I make a list of everything that I need to study. Tuesday, I would start making flashcards, start memorizing things. Wednesday, Thursday, I would study. Friday morning, I would try to test out of my class and take the exam. Okay, so Monday through Friday is when I would try to do all my schoolwork. If I passed Friday morning, I would take the weekend off. If I didn't pass Friday morning, I would try to retake the exam by Saturday night, and I would study more throughout the day, Friday and Saturday. Okay, so it's fairly simple. It's just literally studying to pass exams. Now, the unfortunate thing about all this is colleges and universities are not going to teach you how to do this, because the faster you graduate, the less money they make. The longer you're enrolled in school, the more money they make from you. Colleges and universities are businesses. They want your money. They don't want to help you graduate faster. So that's why I started this YouTube channel, since I was able to figure this out, I want to try to teach that to as many people as I can. And hopefully you can get a college degree faster than me. Now, if you're interested in the 3-step process that allowed me to earn an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months while being only a part-time student, I'll leave a link down below in the video description to what I call a degree hacking tutorial. It's totally free, no strings attached. You can go watch the degree hacking tutorial down below in the description. Now, it's simple. One day at a time, consistent effort, okay? Hard work, lots of studying, but you're going to be testing out of classes. And the hope is that you can get your college degree even faster than I did. I did it in 9 months. If you really take a step back and think about it, this is allowing you to weed out homework, quizzes, study guides, lesson plans, textbooks, all the things that we hate about college. You don't have to do all these things, okay? You just have to learn the knowledge that you're required to have to pass exams. There are much faster ways to learn. We don't drive to the library to check out textbooks to learn anymore. It's a new century, a new age. It's the day and age of information. Information sitting in our pockets at all times. We pull our smartphones out of our pockets and we search the web, right? That's how we learn in these days, okay? Learning's a lot easier than the old school methods that colleges and universities offer. So taking advantage and learning faster allows you to earn a college degree faster. Obviously, you have to choose the right colleges. Not all colleges allow you to do this, but there are lots that do. I'll describe that down below and how to find the right schools in that degree hacking tutorial down below. I hope this video's helped. I hope you kind of have a general idea of maybe how much time it's going to take you, maybe what a normal week is going to look like. Have a wonderful day. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and I'll talk to you in the next video.